because they failed to take responsibility. By the way, they failed to take responsibility because after seeing all this mess happening in Kawempe, it was within their power to stop that election. It was. The information that we have is that in 15 areas, and mark me, in 15 voting areas, not polling stations, boxes were destroyed. And you can imagine the number of votes that were not counted. They didn't stop the election. They went ahead to conduct it, even with all those flaws, and an announcement was made. Of course, we are happy that it wasn't NRM announced. So we'll take the Electoral Commission to court for being irresponsible. You all know that in the campaign, candidates incur expenses, time is lost, money is lost, and we just cannot wait to issue our bill of costs to the Electoral Commission once that ruling is made. For the case of Shafiq Sebunya, I want to observe that in 2021 general elections, even with the wave of NUP, don't mind their failures along the way from that time, our candidate, the one we fielded, got in excess of 2,000 votes. And that was a rough reflection of the strength of the party, even against one of the strongest political waves that we had to endure. And now we are told we only have 200 and how many votes? It can't be. It can't. We presented a very good candidate. We did. He was probably the best candidate in all of the candidates that we had. He bonded with all characters in the ghetto and everywhere else. And you want to convince FDC, a party of 20 years, that we, an area of the opposition where we have structures, that we got 259 votes, 39, totally impossible, totally ridiculous. Of course, we won't be able to know the accurate tally, as I have mentioned in my statement, but the public should take it from us that Aganaga was worth more than those votes. He was. And as I've said, we are not going to lower our guard. Beginning next week, work will continue in Kawempe Division and the whole of Kampala. We are not challenging the outcome of the election. There's nowhere to start from challenging this outcome. You all saw what happened with the military. You saw how boxes were broken. Or didn't you see because you were chased? I think it might also be a good thing that you tested that Chiboko so that you act treated as a joke. Don't report that. So John, and I believe that NUP should stop celebrating. They should prepare for the fight ahead of them.